Welcome to Casa Madera, a masterpiece of Spanish architecture where old world charm meets modern luxury. Located on Wigwam Blue Course, the garden opens to the verdant acreage adjoining the home. Join us on a journey through this exquisite residence where every detail has been thoughtfully crafted for the ultimate living experience. The heart of Casa Madera is its chef's kitchen, equipped with the latest culinary innovations. Imagine creating gourmet meals on top-of-the-line appliances while surrounded by the rich textures of custom cabinetry and hand-painted tiles. For formal gatherings, the Spanish cupola beckons. This unique dining space, bathed in natural light, creates an atmosphere of timeless elegance, an ideal setting for creating lasting memories over sumptuous meals. As you step through to the great room, you're greeted by the warmth of wood floors beneath your feet, and the soft glow of one of 3 fireplaces in the home. The ambiance sets the stage for what lies within. Retreat to the master suite, a sanctuary of luxury and comfort. A separate daybed area provides a tranquil space to unwind, while the master bedchamber reflects the epitome of sophistication. Next, step into the indulgent wet room bathroom, where the boundaries between luxury and functionality blur. Beautiful stained glass windows stream warm light into the space, a space designed for relaxation, featuring a deep soaking tub and dual shower heads surrounded by stunning marble tile. Casa Madera also boasts a guest house nestled within its walls, a private haven for visitors. Equipped with its own appliances and a stylish bathing area, it offers a retreat within a retreat. As we step outside into the hacienda-style patio, we're embraced by a lush oasis designed for relaxation and entertainment. Sink into built-in couches surrounded by vibrant flora, creating an enchanting outdoor living space. The crowning jewel of Casa Madera is the inviting pool, framed by a pergola that provides shade for those lazy afternoons spent lounging by the water, or spend time gazing at the manicured beauty of the green, park-like fields of the Blue Course. It's a space where serenity and sophistication converge. Casa Madera, a Spanish-style haven where every element has been meticulously curated to create a home that is as beautiful as it is functional. Experience the artistry of living in this exceptional residence, where luxury and tradition intertwine in perfect harmony. For inquiries and to schedule a private viewing, contact Tom Mason. Your dream home awaits.